dkdynamics presents FM transmitter.
Hello friends, welcome to dkdynamics. So friends, as you know, I am Rab, have come back with some more new and fantastic projects. So friends, we all are living in a modern era and it is full of information exchange. So friends, there are various ways of information broadcasting, such as the shortwave broadcasting as well as FM. So friends, we are using the microwave transmission for the uplinking and the downlinking of the TV channels as well as for the internet access. So friends, nowadays the most popular way of using the internet connection is wireless fidelity, that is Wi-Fi. So friends, it was my childhood dream to broadcast my voice over the radio of my friends. So friends, here I'm making simple and effective FM transmission which has three parts. Firstly, audio amplification, which amplifies the audio, and the second one is the frequency oscillator, and third one is RF amplifier. So friends, here we are using the 70 centimeter telescopic antenna and it can cover a range of about 1 kilometer. And friends, if we are going to use the Yagi antenna, it is going to send the waves in a specific direction. So friends, here we are using some very easily available components, such as here we are using two variable capacitors of 22 picofarad, and here we are using the three transistors, one filter capacitor, and here we are using some inductors, and here we are using the telescopic antenna of 70 centimeters. So friends, here I'm going to demonstrate you the working of this FM transmitter. So friends, here we have connected the battery and we have tuned the radio. So friends, here we are using the earphones as well as the mic for the sound. And so friends, now I'm going to demonstrate you the working. So let's say hello, hello, hello. So friends, now I'm going to play a sound by using this FM transmitter. So friends, this is the sound. Now I'm going to connect it to the lead. So friends, you have to fine tune the radio to better receive the radio frequency signals by the FM transmitter. And friends, it works very well on the analog FM radio, and you have a broadcasting frequency of about 80 megahertz to 100 megahertz. And friends, you can also select your broadcasting frequency. And friends, FM is the best and a very good method of voice transmission from one place to another. And friends, it is made up of some very easily available components. And friends, if you have any queries regarding this FM transmitter, you can contact us, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com. and friends, don't forget to like our video, as your likes are motivating us, and we are going to make more new videos and are going to encourage the science. And friends, so please don't forget to like and share our video, and please subscribe our channel for more new videos, and please hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos. So friends, I'm coming back with some more new and fantastic projects. Till then, thank you, goodbye.